I think you all have understood about this project work, right? Now let's go to course book work. Open page 12. Here, these fill in the blanks are based on maps as well as division. Right now, till now, we have not gone through this division chapter. We have not started the concepts of division chapter, division topic, right? So, we people will do this after we complete. We will go to the division part. So, let us do this page 13. See, if you people know any of these answers from these blanks, you can do it from page 12. But let us do page 13 now. See, question. I'm reading out the question. Listen carefully, all of you. Observe the given map, measure the lengths between the dots, and hence find the distances between the destinations using the scale given in the map. What is the scale given there, Arham? What is the scale given there in
Yes,
this
ma'am.
page 13?
Observe the given map, measure the length
Scale.
scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer.
Very good. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So after you find out the measurements of the line segments given in the map in centimeters, then you have to take the help of the scale. First, let us find out the distance between the dots by using your ruler. All of you, take your ruler, measure them, and write down the measurements in centimeters near the map. I'll show you an example here. See how to measure in between line segments by using your ruler. You measure it. You'll be getting this kind of centimeters in between the dots, children. Those are line segments actually. You have to measure the distance between those dots. The distance of the length of the line segments you have to measure. After that, see from hospital to hotel, what measurement you got here, Nehal? Nihal,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what is the distance you got from hospital to hotel here in centimeters?
Hospital to hotel. 6.5 centimeters, ma'am.
Very good, 6.5 centimeters. But here the scale is given as for actual distance. For measuring the actual distance, the scale is given as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, right? So while writing this into actual distance, you have to convert centimeter into kilometer. Okay, the distance from hotel gone. I'll put it again, children.
Right. That come here. Come on, come on. It's in the mute. Dad, why are you speaking in the? I am in the mute position. We have to not speak.
Now listen.
I may.
The distance from temple to airport. Once look at the symbols, children. Where is temple symbol and where is airport symbol? See, temple to airport. Actually, temple is here. Temple is here, right? And the airport is here, right? You have to measure the distance, the length from temple to airport. Actually, you have in between one dot, right? If you join them, you will be getting two line segments. From temple to one line segment, it is 6 centimeters, and from that dot again to another dot, it is 3.5 centimeters. If you add them, you will get 9.5 centimeters. On a ruler, you cannot add. You people don't know the decimal values as you are in grade 3, so you cannot able to add the numbers like this. So just simply remember, like, it's 35 centimeters and 60 centimeters. Otherwise, sorry, 3.5 centimeters and 6 centimeters. On a scale, how you are going to measure it? 0.5 is what actually? Millimeters, right? 5 millimeters keep aside. If you add the centimeters here, 6 and 3, you will get 9. Again join the dot, 0.5 millimeters there. You will get 9.5 centimeters. But the actual distance measures like 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So while writing the actual measurement, you have to write in kilometers. So the distance from the temple to airport is how much? 9.5 kilometers. Write down, all of you. Next, you look at the distance from hospital to hotel. Where is the hospital? Up, left side, right? Here. And where is the hotel? Here. In between, how many centimeters? When you measure it, the distance with your ruler, you will get 6.5 centimeters. But you have to write the actual distance of it by according to the scale as 6.5 kilometers. Don't forget, children, don't fail to write like that. You have to write properly in kilometers only. Next, seabed. Look at the seabed. Question is, how far is the restaurant from the hotel? Where is the hotel? Here. Where is the restaurant? Here. Through where you have to reach then? From where you have to start? Restaurant from hotel. Sorry, children. See, the question is, how far is the restaurant from hotel? Where is hotel actually? Here. From hotel to restaurant, what is the distance he is asking, right? So how much you will be getting? Shortest path only you have to take. Actually you have two paths. Either you people can go like this, otherwise you have one more way to reach the hotel to restaurant in this way, right? In this way also you can reach. So let us take this path. Which path? Let's take this path so that you can reach easily. Why? Because the distance from through that route is very short. Let us add them and let us see which one is short. See, from if you choose this way, if you choose this way, you have in between what are the lengths you can are occurring here. 5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters. When you add them, how much you will get? 5 plus 2 is 7 centimeters. 7 plus 2 is 9 centimeters. Again 0.5 you add there, you will get 9.5 centimeter, 9.5 centimeters, where you can write actual distance as 9.5 kilometers. Okay, 9.5 kilometers. Whereas if you choose another, remember this, right? All of you aside, at one side you write down 9.5 kilometers, not in course book but some other place you write and remember 9.5 kilometers. Whereas if you reach in another way, like suppose in this route we went, suppose like this we went, suppose if you take this path to reach from hotel to restaurant, what kind of measurement, what kind of length you will be getting? Here 6.5 plus 1.5 is how much? 8 centimeters. 0.5 millimeters you will get 1 centimeter. Okay, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 centimeters plus 4 more centimeters are there here, right? That 4 also if you add, you will get 12 centimeters, which is more than the before route, right? Which you feel as longer distance than the before route. So it's better if you choose this way only. This way is better than the next way. Why? Because within short time and within short distance you can reach there if you choose this path. Okay, if you choose that path, it is more easy and it is lesser way, shorter way to reach. Okay, next, D bit. What is the distance between the airport and hospital? Where is airport here? Where is the hospital? Here. He is asking what is the distance between airport and the hospital. Hint given as choose only the shortest path. Means the distance which is less, no? That one you have to choose. Which one is lesser here? If you choose this path, if you choose this path, it becomes 3 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters is how much? 7 centimeters actually. Which is actual distance is 7 kilometers. Whereas if you choose another path like some other way, from hospital to, suppose if you have reached like this, 1.5 is 5.5 centimeters. Next 5.5 plus 2.5 is 8 centimeters. Plus 2 more centimeters, you if you add you get 10 centimeters, which is equal to 10 kilometers, which is more bigger, more longer than the before path. So it's better to choose what path here? From airport to hospital is what path we have to choose? this path is better, which is of 7 centimeters, but the actual distance by according to the scale is 7 kilometers. Okay, children. Now you take down this, all of you. Take down the answers. Page number 13. For your project work, children, I'll give 2 days time. It's not so compulsory to do it today only. I'll give you 2 days of time. You can do it coolly. After Gandhi Jayanti, after holiday, you can submit me on 3rd of October. Okay? You can submit me this project work on 3rd of October. But the thing is, the homework which I am going to give you today, you have to do it definitely. The project work I'll show you in the description box through MCB. Okay? The project work I'll show you through description box. Homework part I'll show you through the homework box only in MCB. Now it's time up. It's 10:25. Sorry, children. I've taken a lot of time. Sorry for that. I'm leaving the class now. Bye, children. Have a nice day.